isn't real. And I'm thinking to myself, 'cause there's no one else to hear what I have to say. Well, they talk, no one comes around to what they want to see, but no one comes to me. It's just funny how that works. You think that I should have my own view. All my fears, and all my tears, and all my pain has gone away. Well, at least that I know where I'm standing. It's not my planning now. Just like that, things have changed, you see. An open ear means the world to me. It takes a friend, at least someone who cares enough. Someone to sit in on the things I do, the things I think, question me. My mind's not blank, there's enough to spill at any time. Sometimes it takes my own few words.